guys, welcome back. So today we've got a luxury haul, you guys. We've got a luxury haul, and I'm calling it a haul, but there's only 3 pieces here, so is it really a haul? I don't know. We've got items from Harrods, My Teresa, Farfetch. This is just gonna be a really good one. I'm really excited about these pieces, so if you guys want to see what I picked up, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you are not gonna say, if you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I have to do this with one hand because literally these boxes are huge and they're gonna fall in any second. Like, my legs are just underneath there trying to like scoop them up. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like hauls, I feel like this is definitely where you're gonna want to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just a Key Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there's a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot. We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into this unboxing. Or this haul, I guess. So I'm pretty sure I know what's in each box, and each one of these pretty much has a story. So let's just jump into the first one. This one is from My Teresa. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Here is the little box. I wonder if you guys can guess what this, I mean, there's no way. This was not really on my wish list. I had just thought about it a lot of times. So this is my, you can tell what it is already. Hold on. You're gonna extra tell what it is right now. Come on. I'm trying to be cool here. So this is my new Loewe tank top. This is my first piece from Loewe that I didn't return. If you guys want to know about the piece that I did return, I'll link it right up here. But this is the first piece that I am keeping. I'm definitely going to keep this as long as it, you know, fits right, which I'm sure that it will. It's a freaking tank top. Like, how crazy could it be? So I didn't think that I was going to end up getting this. You guys know everyone has this freaking tank top, but I didn't think I was going to get it because, like, it's a tank top. Like, that's just not my vibe. I'm not a tank top type of person. However, I recently started buying like a lot of outerwear, like not outerwear like coats, but more like layering pieces, like blazers, sweaters. Well, not really blazers, sweaters, jackets, and things that I think would layer really, really well with like a cute little tank top underneath. And I felt like this was the perfect one. Tank tops, in my opinion, are just way too dressed down, like for me, for my style, for what I like to wear. So I would have not worn this just like this in the summer anyways. So that's why I feel like this is the perfect time for me to get it. So I can wear it with sweaters. I can wear it with jackets. I can even wear it with like button down shirts, like leaving them open. So I'm very excited about this. I don't want to make this like a really long video. Plus I just filmed a Sephora haul. I'll link that right up here in case you guys were curious to see what I got. But I have another piece. This one is from Farfetch, and this one I feel like is going to be so random. So I guess I'm just going to open this. And these are obviously all true unboxings, except for the last box. I did have to open that because I got it first, and I wanted to make sure that it fit before like my return window expired. So here is what the inside of my Farfetch box looks like. I think this came from Spain, if I remember that correctly. So this is a piece that I picked out, and you guys, I am excited because this is another thing where I have just been thinking about it. You guys know when it comes to things like ready to wear, like a tank top or like this, which is a pair of leggings, I really want to make sure that I'm making the right decision because ready to wear is so damn expensive. So this is a pair of leggings from the brand Toteme, which you guys know is like the brand right now. Toteme is just living their best life. All the, you know, quiet luxury girlies are really into Toteme. I'm not a quiet luxury girly, so I wouldn't have expected myself to buy these, but I forgot who, was it Amber Ashley? Oh God, who wears this? Was it Just Me Lou? Actually, I think it was Maria Dragonova who was wearing these, and she had shown her outfit of the day, and I was like, what? I fell in love with them, but I have never paid this much money for a pair of leggings in my entire life. So I was not planning on getting them, but you guys, they just look so good. And I could even tell by touching these, the material is way better than any leggings that I currently own. They also have like a zipper detail on the bottom, which I think is super cute. I do really like pants that have like a split. I got these in a size medium, because you guys know I got a booty. Okay, I'm Dominican, I have a booty. I did also get my Loewe tank top, by the way, in the size small because it looks like it runs a little bit big. Plus, We don't have no girls here, okay? Maybe you think, maybe it looks like I have girls here, but I don't have girls here. They're not even like toddlers, man. They're like infants over here. So I felt like the small was gonna be a-okay. I got these in a medium. I'm hoping that they fit, but they kind of feel like they have a good amount of stretch. So my plan for like the winter and fall months is basically just to wear these with like every single type of thick sweater that I could possibly find. So I feel like these are gonna get a lot of use just for like these months. Because in the summer, you guys know, and like the spring, like I like my legs to be out. I like to have like dresses and stuff like that. But like right now, it is just too damn cold for me to even think about wearing a dress. Okay, I'm not even gonna think about it. And the last item is also the biggest and the only one that actually was on my wish list from this entire haul. This one is from Harrods, and I will explain to you why I decided to get it from Harrods, because obviously I live in New York. Like, that's weird, but I will explain. This is what the inside of the box looks like. It's so massive, and honestly does not have to be this massive. Well, there goes that. So this is the item that I got. You should probably already know. As soon as you see this, if you guys have seen any of my past videos, you should know exactly what is in this box, and I am so excited about it. You guys have no freaking idea. So obviously this is from Valentino. These are the Valentino V logo loafers. I mentioned in a video where I told you guys all about the items that I am loving right now. I'll link it right up here, that I am obsessed with these. And I wasn't lying. I am obsessed with these. And I'll also link the shopping vlog where I first saw these in the first place, right up here. But I just fell in love with them. Like, look at this. This is such a classic loafer, and I'm not, guys, I'm not a loafer person. That's just not my vibe. Like, I'd rather have sneakers. I'd rather have boots, heels, things like that. But in my opinion, my like entire shoe wardrobe was missing like a very casual black pair of shoes. There obviously are so many different options, but for me, these were just the ones. So these are in a size 37. I'm usually a 37, sometimes 37 and a half. Let me tell you something. When I saw them in the vlog, okay, they were $1,090. When I saw them on Harrods website, they were $663, I think. And so that's why I ordered. I ordered them so fast, because even with like shipping, I think the shipping was only like $20. What, from the UK? Stop it right now. Let me know what you guys think about these. I feel like there's just so many things that I can wear. Like this with the Toteme leggings, with like any sweater ever in the history of life, just any sweater. It's just gonna be like my uniform for this entire winter, this entire fall time. Look at this shiny ass leather. I need a bag in this shiny box leather. Like, look how delicious. Ah, I can't take it. I really can't take it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So yeah, guys, those are the items that I picked up. I know that wasn't much. This definitely was not like a very expensive, like a $20,000 haul or anything like that. But you guys already know what it is with me and ready to wear, with me and shoes. Like, I'm very particular about what I purchase. So let me know in the comments what you guys thought about the things that I picked up. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Did I turn off the camera? I'm sure I did. I didn't.